Hey everyone, hello to you. I'm back again. It is Saturday evening, and I wanted to share with you guys that I had to decide what I was going to do about this bird's nest. So I just rearranged where I have the flowers, and I put the bird's nest right here for now. And that way, when they poo poo, it'll be right in this little area right here and not where the door is when you come in. So the little birds, are in there and they are so tiny. And I wish I could, you probably can't see them. But the flower's kind of in the way, but that's where they are, right there. So that's three little birds, three little baby birds. So that's what I got company, y'all. I've got company. So I just wanted to hop on and share that with you. I'm loving this weather. This is well, the reason why we've got this wonderful weather here today is because of the hurricane. So it's always unfortunate for someone else, but yeah. So I hope you guys are having a great Saturday. I hope that you guys are safe. I hope that you guys are doing well. And I will keep you updated on my little bird's nest. Bye, guys.